Check out the 2022 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, tires, front all season, 4-wheel disc brakes, tires, rear all season, privacy glass, rear wheel drive. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.